Hello 7th class students, welcome to our mathematics class students. Today we are going to start discuss our chapter 9 MCQs. We have completed our chapter 9 in our previous video. Now let's start with our first sum. Here in the first question we are given this figure. You can see here we are given AB line and CD line, these are parallel, and we are given that this angle is 40, this is 20. We have to find x. ओके तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, वी कैन ड्रॉ द लाइन ई एफ विच इज़ पैरेलल टू बोथ ए बी एंड सी डी. नाउ दिस you can see that this angle x is cut down by the line in two parts. Let us this be angle 1 and angle 2. Now from the theorem we know that if the lines AB and EF are parallel, then obviously angle 40 and this angle 1, these are alternate interior angles. Also from EF is parallel to CD, so angle 2 and angle 20 degree, these are also alternate interior angle. So being alternating interior angle, angle 1 is 40 degree and angle 2 is 20 degree. Now angle x is the sum of these two, angle 1 plus angle 2, that is 40 degree plus 20 degree, we get angle x equals to 60 degree. So our answer is D, 60 degree. Here in the second sum we are given AB parallel to DC. AB and DC are parallel and we have to find this angle. You can see that these two lines are parallel. So angle BAD and angle ADC, these are the consecutive interior angle between these two parallel lines. So these will be supplementary. That means angle ADC plus angle DAB, that is 90 plus 40. This will be equals to 180 degree. And this way we can say that angle ADC plus 90 plus 40, 180. ADC will transpose 90 and 40 to right hand side. These become negative. We get 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. So our required angle is angle ADC, 50 degree. Here in the third sum we are given if two interior angle on the same side of a transversal intersecting two parallel lines are in the ratio 2:3. That means we are given two parallel lines. Let us these be the two parallel lines and we are having a transversal. Then we are given the ratio of the angles on the same side of the transversal. Be 2:3. So let x be the common ratio. Then the angles will be 2x and 3x. ठीक है, तो obviously these angles are, this is 2x and this is 3x. Angles on the same side of transversal between the parallel lines. ठीक है, obviously we know that the sum of the consecutive interior angles, or we can say consecutive interior angle between parallel lines are always supplementary. That means 2x plus 3x will be equals to 180 degree. We get 5x 180 degree. That means x will transpose 5 to the right hand side. It goes to division. So we get x equals to 180 degree upon 5. After dividing by 5 we get x equals to 36 degree. We'll put this value, we have to find the larger angle. Larger angle is 3x. We'll put here value of x 36 degree. We get 3 into 36 degree, 108 degree. This is our required angle. Now in the fourth sum we are given the figure this. Here you can see we are given AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. These three lines are parallel, and also GH and KL. This GH and KL are also parallel. We have to measure this angle HKL. This complete angle we have to find out. देखिए यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये आपकी लाइन है, इसको हम आगे एक्सटेंड कर देंगे. ठीक है, when we extend this line you can see that this complete angle and this angle, these are the vertically opposite angle. Let us take this angle be x and this angle be y. ठीक है, now x plus 25 and 60, these are vertically opposite angle, so x plus 25 will be equals to 60. तो हमने देखिए ऐसे ही किया है. दिस इज़ आवर गिवन फिगर. यहाँ पे ये एंगल 60 है, ये हमने GH को आगे एक्सटेंड कर दिया. ये हमने लास्ट, लेट अस सपोज दिस एंगल बी x एंड वी आर टू फाइंड दिस एंगल, लेट अस सपोज दिस एंगल बी y. तो ये आपकी 60 डिग्री और x प्लस 25, दीज आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल, इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो x यहाँ से क्या आया, विल ट्रांसपोज 25 टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, वी गेट 60 माइनस 25, x equals to 35 degree. Now here also when we extended GH further, you can see this line and KL, these are parallel and here this HK is transversal. Look here, ठीक है, इस तरीके से. अब you can see these angle x and this y, these are the consecutive interior angle between these two parallel lines. So obviously these will be supplementary. That means x plus y equals to 180 degree. Now value of x is 35. We'll put here the value of x plus y, 35 plus y 180. So y will transpose 35 to left hand side, it become negative. We get y equals to 180 minus 35, that is y 145 degree. This is our required angle HKL. Now in the fifth question we are given in adjoining figure. In this figure we are given this angle 60 degree, angle ECD equals to 65. This angle is 65. We have to find angle ACB. This angle is what? So students, let us take this angle VX and this VY. We are to find this angle Y. Okay. Now you can see that we are given AB parallel to CE. And here AC is the transversal for these two parallel lines. So angle 60 degree and X, these are alternate interior angle. So these will be equal. So X equals to 60 degree. Now angle BCD, this is our angle on the straight line BD. So this will be a straight angle, that is of 180 degree. Angle BCD will be of 180 and BCD is made up of y plus x plus 65. That means y plus x plus 65 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Now value of x we have found 60 degree. So we'll put here value of x is 60. We get y plus 60 degree plus 65 degree 180. So where we get y equals to 180, will transpose 60 and 65 to the right hand side. This become negative. 180 minus 125, that is y equals to 55 degree. And y is nothing but the angle ACB. So angle ACB is 55 degree. So B is our required answer. Now in the next sixth sum, in the adjoining figure, AB parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and angle BAO, this angle is 108 degree and angle OCD, this angle is 120 degree. We have to find angle AOC, this angle. Okay, you can see students, यहाँ पे देखिए these are parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Let us construct a line L passing through O and parallel to these two lines. Okay, so L is parallel to AB and also L is parallel to CD. Now AB and L are parallel and angle 1 and 108 degree. These are the consecutive interior angle on the same side of transverse. So these will be supplementary. That means angle 1 plus 108 degree equals to 180. After solving we get angle 1 equals to 72 degree. Similarly, line L and CD, these are also parallel lines and OC is the transversal. So angle 2 and 120, these are again the consecutive interior angle on the same side of transversal between the parallel lines L and CD. So these will be supplementary. So angle 2 plus 120 will be 180. Again angle 2 will transpose 120 to right hand side, it become negative. So we get angle 2 60 degree. Now angle AOC is the sum of these two, angle 1 plus angle 2. So AOC will be 72 plus 60 degree. So angle AOC is 130 degree, 2 degree. That means C is the required answer. For today students, it's enough. Your homework is to solve these first 6 MCQs. MCQ from 1 to 6 of chapter 9 in your fair notebook. Okay, and also fill them in your book. The remaining are the 4 MCQs. You are to try these MCQs 7, 8, 9, 10 in your extra notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.